What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on the Currency Academy YouTube page, man. Today I'm excited to get to it, man. We're gonna be talking about moving averages today. We're gonna be talking about a lot of different stuff involving the charts and how you guys could get better entries and better exits. So hopefully, if this video is useful to you, make sure you drop a like and you stay to the end of the video so you get the most value out of it possible. Anyways, we're gonna pop over to the charts. Let's get it. All right, so I thought the best way I could explain moving averages to you guys was to hop on the charts on US dollar versus Canadian dollar and basically show you how these moving averages work and what they really are. So we're gonna start off with this green line that you guys see on our chart right now. This is a 50 exponential moving average. Essentially what that is a line that takes the last 50 candlesticks of information and it averages it out on a line. So in this case, if we're seeing these candlesticks cross over and come to the upside above these moving averages, we're seeing an uptrend start to form. Okay, and what we're trying to do in trading currencies is ride the wave when we're trading, right? So in this scenario, we would have been able to see many entries to the upside. So we would be using our long position tool to draw on, get in entries. You know, these are, I mean, big entries. This is a 4-hour bullish engulfing candle, you know, with a moving average crossover confirmation. You know, this is right off the rip, 261 pips, only risking 23 pips. Okay, now this is just me looking in the past, right? But I wanted to give you guys some more recent examples, so I'm going to kind of zoom out right now. And another thing you'll also notice is, just before I move on, is you'll see like this higher low start to form. So you'll see like a period of consolidation where it's like it'll just stay bouncing up and down, not really going anywhere. Like it's not trending in a direction. And then it'll break out, it'll retest, and it'll continue in a direction. Now, if we have just the 200 moving average on, you can see this is just the black line here, right? And this is a larger scale trend line, basically, because this is averaging 200 candlesticks worth of information. So when we see price break above the 200 EMA and we see a 50 crossover, that's a really good indicator that we're going to be seeing a long-term buy position, and we'll be able to find entries based off of what the candlesticks print. Now, these candlesticks, when I talk about candlesticks, I'm just talking about these little boxes of information. Now, if you know anything about math from school, you know your X and Y value coordinates, right? So your Y is your price and your X is your time. So it just shows you, you know, where price is going in a period of time. So how we're making money is we're looking at this and we're saying, where is price going in the future? Where is price right now? And where has price gone in the past? If you guys did make it this far in the video, I want to say thank you very much. I appreciate you guys watching the video to the end and getting the full value out of it for yourself as a trader and as a person. And I highly recommend, if you haven't already, to go back and take a look at some of these videos. Maybe if you've already seen them, rewatch them with your new founded understanding and try and see what I was talking about in those videos. And also make sure you check out my Instagram, _currency academy. All the links to this stuff will be in the description below, so no worries to that at all. But I highly recommend, you know, you check it out, because when I post videos, I usually post on my Instagram letting you guys know that I posted a video, and it's kind of just like a early warning. And sometimes I post free signals, you know, stuff like that. Hopefully we can have a good year this year and get a lot done. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I am out. To use moving averages to our benefit and get in on some pretty sniper entries. If this video helped you at all, make sure you drop a like and a comment down below. Have a good day, man. I am out.